Anyway,
Eh?
it's on.
Here.
Shuffle.
See here. See, this is the gearbox teeth. Can you see it? This one is two teeth. Without this one now, it's not going to be moving.
Okay.
So you see now, the keke is just it. The teeth now join together to this one
To make it move.
to make it move. But without this one now, it can't move. It can't move.
So that one is.
So that is what I'm trying to show you guys. Yeah.
Internal working.
So now, see this one. See why I lose this thing. I want to change this thing because these teeth now is no longer more functioning well. So
Washed up.
yeah, it's a washed up. You guys seen it? I just want to change it and put new one inside. Thanks for your